In some situations, we need to look for conditions and take different actions based on what we find. The condition feature of FluentCRM lets you do a lot of different things based on different conditions. In our last video, we explained how to send the audience to the right stage of your funnel. This one will shed some light on conditions. In our last video, we made an automation funnel that aims to make an upsell email. Let's say we sent out emails to the available potential customers promoting the sales of our product handbag. Now that we have sent an upsell email, we have to wait 7 days for them to buy our handbag. From the automation funnel, click the plus icon and select wait 7 days or hours. You can also set a date or day until which the actions need to be put off. Now it's time to add the condition. Once again, click the plus sign, then choose condition from the left sidebar, then click check condition. If the customer decides to buy it, there will be a separate branch for the customers who made the purchase and another branch for those who did not buy it. This will help you to analyze the testing conditions and identify which direction benefits you the most. After that, if they do purchase after receiving the sales email, we will add them to our client list and follow up with a thank you email. We'll add the contacts to our customers list just like before. Choose the apply list action, fill out the fields for label and description as needed, and pick the list where you want your new users to go. For the thank you email, click the plus icon, select to send a custom email, then fill up the boxes with labels, descriptions, subject lines, and email pre-header. If not, we'll have to use our power of persuasion. In that case, we are going to send a product knowledge email that will generate demand. Wait for 3 days, then send our second sales email. Now, users who buy handbags will be marked by this automation. If not, the next email in the flow will be sent to the users either right after the last one or at the time interval that was set. Well, this condition was just an example. Say you want to get in touch with those contacts who bought a specific product, or rather to those who used a coupon, and so many similar conditions. That's all for the FluentCRM conditions in email automation. In the next video, we'll show you all you need to know about webhooks. Till then, stay tuned to WPManageNinja.